In the vast expanse of space, where silence reigns supreme, it's hard to believe that we might not be truly alone. Yet, even in the darkest corners of the cosmos, there are signs of life. And sometimes those signs come in the most unexpected forms. This is incredible news and could change everything we know about the universe. But what exactly did the astronauts on board this station hear? For years, it has served as a vital hub for scientific research and discovery, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding of the universe. But now its mission is coming to an end, and soon it will be nothing more than a distant memory. As the final crew members prepare to leave the station, they make one last scan of the cosmos, hoping to detect any signs of life beyond our planet. They worked tirelessly to decipher the code and pinpoint the source of the signal, hoping to make one last groundbreaking discovery before their departure. They knew that they might never get another chance to solve this mystery, and they were determined to make the most of their final hours on the station. What they discovered was both shocking and awe-inspiring. They had stumbled upon a discovery that would change the course of human history. They had made one last incredible discovery that would inspire generations to come. But in the discovery that kept humanity's hopes alive, as they prepared to leave the station and return to Earth, they knew that they were bringing back more than just data and research. They were bringing home the hope of a new beginning for the human race. The implications were staggering. If there were other humans out there beyond the edge of our solar system, then it meant that the Earth was not the only planet that could sustain life. There were other worlds out there that were potentially habitable and just waiting to be discovered. The transmission was not from an extraterrestrial species, but from a group of humans who had traveled to the far reaches of our solar system in search of new worlds to colonize. They had sent the message out into the void of space as a beacon of hope, a plea for help from their fellow humans back on Earth. With each passing moment, they delved deeper into the data, analyzing every piece of information they had, and searching for patterns and anomalies. Finally, as the minutes turned into hours, they began to see a glimmer of hope. They had almost cracked the code. Little did they know that this seemingly routine procedure will lead to an extraordinary discovery that will change everything. Was it a friendly hello from an alien civilization or something more sinister? And why does this discovery have the potential to revolutionize our understanding of existence itself? Join us as we delve into the depths of this enigmatic transmission and uncover the mind-boggling implications for humanity's place in the cosmos. The last space station orbiting our planet has just detected a mysterious transmission coming from deep within our solar system. A lone space station silently orbits our planet, a beacon of human ingenuity and exploration. At first, the crew members dismissed it as a glitch in the equipment or some kind of cosmic interference. But as they investigated further, they realized that the signal was real, and it was unlike anything they had ever seen before. It was a transmission, a deliberate message sent from somewhere beyond Pluto. They picked up a strange signal that seemed to be coming from the direction of Pluto, a small rocky world at the edge of our solar system. There are other intelligent beings out there who are capable of communication, but who sent the message and what did it mean? The crew members were baffled, and the more they tried to understand it, the more questions they had. The message seemed to be encoded with some kind of encryption that their equipment was unable to crack. And the signal was so faint that it was difficult to determine its exact origin. The implications of this discovery were staggering. If the transmission was truly coming from an extraterrestrial source, then it meant that we are not alone in the universe. But as the days passed and the final countdown to the station's decommissioning continued, the crew members grew more and more obsessed with the mystery of the transmission. As the clock ticked down, the crew members' determination only grew stronger. With trembling hands, they input the final sequence of commands and watched as the encrypted message slowly began to unravel before their eyes. As the final crew members read the message, Their hearts raced with excitement and disbelief, with the knowledge that humanity's future may lie beyond the stars. The final crew members of the space station felt a sense of pride and accomplishment wash over them. And so the legacy of the last space station orbiting Earth lives on, not just in the data it collected or the research it conducted,